Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can crop a video and add a circular border around it. So I'm just going to use a video from this live one, and I'll just select this video here. And I'm going to mask it, and I'm going to select a circle here. To create the border, I'll just go to the background section, place this on top, select the white one. You can use any color that you want. Then I'll freeze frame it because I'll need to extend the duration. Go to mask and select circle and create a circle around it, like so. You can use any color you want, of course, but that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!